on it with a combination of Velcro down here. Because I've had to fix this so many times, I can't put the pins in anymore. So I've got the pins in the front, Velcro on the sides, and so it seems to be holding pretty good. So the whole thing seems to be riding a little lower than it normally does because I had to lower the body some. In order to do that, I had to clip it as well on the bottom. Seems dusty today. It's the first dry day we've had in forever, you know, like totally dry out here. It's hard to line it up when you're in front of it. Little slab. Nice. It's slapping. I gotta, but at least it's not landing and bouncing everywhere. Oh. Yeah. My new shock should be in probably less than a week. That's not bad though. That one tiny bit of difference in the length of the front shocks isn't making any difference at all. The thing's landing sweet. Oh, should have stopped using your gas. Take your gas off before you hit the ground, and you won't ruin your gears as easily. Ooh, I did a 360, but it didn't land it. This Granite has seen a lot of life. Nice, dude. That was laser smooth.
Yeah, once I got on the right trajectory.
Oh! I braked a little too early. See, that's what I mean. This guy puts up with a lot of punishment. But I have to say that my Velcro body seems to be doing pretty good. It is raising up a little bit, but there's nothing I could do. I had to do it like that. Nice. You gonna hit the biggin?
No, not yet.
Oh fuck, Jesus. That's awful. God damn. I'm sorry, buddy. You didn't like that. Nice, dude. Low profile too. You barely had any air and you still pulled it off. Oh, I broke a shock just now.
No way.
Yeah. Well, I knew it was already bent. So let me pause this here video and where's the pause button? There it is. Okay. I was looking for the pause button.